Tariki mweri uyu turi nirio gikaro kia majaji atandatu aria mathikagiriria ciira uria wambikitwo igoti-ini wa kuregana na maumirira ma president githurano-ini kinene kiahukanire. Ana makiuga githurano giki gicokerwo na eri makiuga githurano kiu giatabanirio na waragania. Acirithania Njoki Ndung'u na Jackton Ojwang aria mari mwena umwe wa kuga githurano giekirwo ta uria watho ugite ni matariirie itumi cia gukinyiria itua riu. Acirithania Jackton Ojwang akiuga thitango iria ciatamburukirio mbere ya igoti riri ciaroraga o uria tu maumirira matumagwo kuhuthira mitambo na kwoguo acirithania aria matuire githurano gicokerwo matiarumireire uira muiganu na mitaratara iria yagiriire gutua ciira uyu.
The petitioner's case rests on just one dimension of the electoral process: electronic transmission of results. Moreover, the bulk of the assertions made as regards transmission is just that, contentions with only limited testimonial ingredient. It is hardly evidence.
Nake Acirithania Njoki Ndung'u akiuga itua ria Acirithania munene ni ria kurigithia kuona ati nginyagia ihinda riri maratathi ma kura mari okuo na nimo mangiahuthirirwo kuonania uma.
In cases where a court is in grave doubt as to the outcome of an election, as the majority in this case decided they were, the ballots exist to enable a final inspection or verification process by the court. The people speak through the ballot, and the ballots once marked, cast in turn, speak for themselves.
Eeri aya maugite igoti riri ritiigire wendi wa Kenya aria macaguranire mbere makiuga undu uria wagiriire ni kura ici gutarwo ringi.
They are the best evidence to be looked into. No party can run away from the indelible truth, and we wonder why the learned judge avoided the obvious and resorted to the risky.
All the physical voting records were available and indeed had been timelessly availed to the Supreme Court registry and could have been recounted to confirm the third respondent had been properly declared as president or not.
Acirithania aya maugite kihoto kia muikia wa kura ni kiagararirwo thutha wa githurano kwirwo gicokerwo. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, getwo Karo Kenyugo Mwaura.